Hello, I'm Miss Ginsburg with KnowAtom, and today we're going to be reading Seeds and Leaves. This is a student reader in Unit 3. Plants on Earth, Following the Sun. A group of scientists had a question. Why do young sunflowers follow the sun as it moves across the sky? The scientists saw that young sunflowers face the east in the morning. The sunflowers turn as the sun moves across the sky. Sunflowers are plants. Scientists know that sunflowers are plants. Plants are living things that make food from sunlight. Plants use water, air, and sunlight to make their own food. Some living things have to eat other living things for food. People need to eat other living things. This is why we eat plants and other animals. Food and energy. Food is important. It helps living things grow. As they grow, living things get bigger. They get more complex. The scientists who studied flowers carried out experiments. They learned that young sunflowers grow more when they follow the sun. The sunlight allows the plants to make food. Food gives living things energy. Living things need energy to move. Some living things move in ways we can't see. It happens in their bodies. One side of a sunflower stem grows more during the day. The other side grows more at night. This causes the sunflower's face to move so it follows the sun. Other living things use energy to move from place to place. So here, the sun allows these sunflowers to grow. And here, this elephant uses energy to splash water on itself. Water and air. Living things need water. Our bodies use water for many things. All living things breathe. This means they exchange gases with the environment. Animals breathe in oxygen. They breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide. They release oxygen. All living things need water to survive. This tiger drinks from a pool of water. All living things reproduce. This means they produce young. Humans have babies. Birds lay eggs. Many plants produce seeds that will grow into new plants. Young plants and animals are similar to their parents. They aren't exactly the same, though. Once living. All living things eventually die. A dead plant might not look like a living thing, but it once was living. At one time, it met all of the needs for life. Gardens are full of things that are living or were once living. They also have non-living things in them. Never living. Living and once living things are different from non-living things. Non-living things don't meet all of the needs for life. They have never met those needs. Water is non-living. It cannot reproduce. It doesn't need food. Rocks are non-living. They cannot move on their own, and they don't need food. These rocks and water are non-living. They have never met all of the needs for life. Parts of a plant. Eating carrots. Have you ever eaten a carrot? If so, you ate the root of a plant. Many plants have roots. Roots are parts that help the plant survive. Roots often grow underground. So carrots are roots. They grow underground. They help the plant survive. The job of roots. Plants make their own food, but they also need water and nutrients to grow. Roots help the plants take in water and nutrients from the soil. Many roots also spread out in the soil. This helps to hold the plant in place. Finally, roots store food for the plants. So here we can see the roots. They take in water and nutrients. They also help to hold the plant in place. Leaves and stems. Many plants also have leaves. The leaves collect sunlight and make food. There are the leaves. The stem is another part of many plants. There's the stem. The stem holds the leaves and flowers in place. Water and nutrients also travel from the roots through the stem to the rest of the plant. A growing plant. Many plants have seeds. Seeds are young plants inside a protective coat. With enough soil and water, a seed will grow. It will turn into the same kind of plant it came from. These seeds from carrot plants will grow into carrot plants. The seeds from apple trees will grow into apple trees. So there's the carrot seeds growing into carrot plants. Apple seeds grow into apple trees. Plants follow a pattern as they grow from a seed into an adult plant. This pattern is called a life cycle. As a seed soaks up water and nutrients from the soil, it gets bigger. It also gets more complex. This is called germination. Soon, its roots and stem will grow. After some more time, it will grow leaves. With leaves, it can make its own food from sunlight. Then it will grow flowers. Flowers make seeds. Those seeds will move away. They will grow into a new plant. This begins the life cycle again. So let's look at that diagram of the cycle again, of a plant's life cycle. So we have the seed, germination, growth, flower, seed dispersal, and it starts again. Flowers make seeds. The seeds grow into adult plants. Wow, I learned a lot reading Seeds and Leaves, and I had fun too. I hope that you learned a lot and that you had fun also. I'll see you tomorrow with another book. Bye!